So we're sending you this whole assembly here. First we're going to take the cap off, remove the rubber insert, split that in half. We'll take out the little plastic grip that's inside the plug head here. Takes a little bit of force. There we go. Next we're going to take the plug base and screw it into the AP. Straighted side should be out. Nice and snug, just hand tighten. Next, we're going to feed the cap through, facing, the head should be facing towards the plug. And we feed through the grip. Oop, lost it there. Okay. Just going to reinsert that into the cap. Next, we're going to take our two halves of the rubber plug, facing with the tapered side down, reattach them around the cable, and we're going to go ahead and plug in here. So you just feed the cable right through the hole. It should plug in just fine. Okay. The rubber plug around the cable. I'm going to feed it into the plug base. Then take the cap, screw it on. Make sure it's nice and tight. You'll see the grip will grab onto the cable, tighten everything onto the plastic plug, and seal it even up against direct jets of water. And you're weatherproofed.